Nigeria, are you ready? Southwest Youth. Your big break starts March 1, 2026, but winners are already thinking now. MVP Technology is here, fuse Yoruba heritage with AI, voice tech, fintech, agri-tech. Turn your raw idea into game-changing product on national TV. Millions of naira to be won at grand prize, mentorship, and global stage. Real impact, real money. Applications open March 1, close end of March. Winners revealed April 1. Brainstorm today, polish tomorrow. Submit when it opens. No perfect idea needed, just fire. Start ideating right now. Visit www.mvps2mvps.com. Technology is a Southwest version. The MVP made in Nigeria is national project. Every zone will witness it. Technology, from chalking drums to algorithms. Technology, the fire is ready. Who's pressing the button?